So one of our big new initiatives is that by 2030, we are going to halve side effects from radiation therapy for 10% of patients in New South Wales, and by 2040 to halve side effects of radiation therapy for 90% of patients around the world.
Using machine learning, what it is possible to do now is to simulate what might happen if we add a drug into this mixture and look at what might lead to cause resistance within this patient. We might be able to preempt and stop that resistance from ever emerging.
Over the last decade, we've seen this transformation of being able to look at cancer cells individually and to look at the surrounding cells of that tumour and understand the crosstalk. But we've mostly done that at a genomic level. But what's coming is the ability to do that at a protein level. We will understand exactly what we need to do to treat these tumours and these leukemias more effectively.
My hope in the future for equity in care is that we won't see any difference in outcomes for patients based on where they live, what their cultural background is, what their socioeconomic status is, that everybody has the same outcome and the same chance.
The ways in which culturally and linguistically diverse people are involved in making decisions about their care, that has improved. The understanding of healthcare staff in terms of this issue has also improved. So that we have achieved a lot, but there is still work needed to achieve the equitable health outcomes for all of us.
In the past 20 years, the chance of a patient with cancer having a response to treatment on a phase 1 trial has increased from roughly 5% to more than 30%. Imagine what could happen if instead of 7% of Australian cancer patients taking part in trials, research was an absolute standard of care in any part of the New South Wales healthcare system, so that 100% of patients with incurable disease took part in trials. It would have two consequences. First of all, those patients would live longer, no question, because of that improvement in the probability of benefit that's happened in the past 20 years. And secondly, would learn things faster.
Truly speaking, it's quite an amazing time to be a researcher in this field at this point.
We have made extraordinary progress over the last 20 years. You must never give up hope. You must keep trying because science will triumph in the end.